Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. As you can see from the title, today's video is going to be a lookbook featuring all the new arrivals coming to my boutique, Ebb and Flow, this Black Friday. If you're watching this video as soon as it's released, that is actually this Thursday, Thanksgiving Day, at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. If you want to check out my boutique, you can find the information in the description below. Make sure you sign up for emails, texts, Instagram, countdown notifications as soon as possible. You don't want to miss out on these $10, $20, $32 deals that will be happening on Black Friday. As usual, if you like this video, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment telling me what your favorite look is. Share with a friend who would also want to shop with Ebb and Flow. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications so you know when I post. All right, let's get into these looks.
Coming for you. 6'4" Balenciaga all black. Stretch Bugatti and it's sitting on me. Oh, something like that. Got me running like track. Freak like me, got me bending my back. Got that gas, and he holding it fast, and he's looking at that ass. Think I let him grab it. I'm a pretty young savage, out here causing havoc. And he got that gas, Betty got that gas, Betty got that. Got me feeling like I wanna wife you, cause I kinda like. Betty got that. Got me feeling like I wanna wife you, cause I kinda like you. Got my number so we know where I'm at. 100 on bands cause I'm sitting on fat like a mouse to my trap. I got the cheese like that, dripping with the sauce you can eat like that. Gas, and he holding it fast, and he's looking at that ass. Think I let him grab it. I'm a pretty young savage, out here causing havoc. Betty got that gas, Betty got that gas, Betty got that gas.
Your booty got that feng shui. It looks fun, I wanna come play. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It's the weekend, tell me what you want, babe. It's a beautiful situation. No, I don't need no invitation, cause I'm already on it. I want it. Fill her up, I wanna pump it. I got that gas.
And he holding it fast, and he's looking at that ass. Think I let him grab it. I'm a pretty young savage, out here causing havoc. Betty got that gas, Betty got that gas, Betty got that. Got me feeling like I wanna wife you, cause I kinda like you.
All right, y'all, that is just a few looks that you can do with my newest inventory dropping on my site, shopebandflow.com, this Thursday, Thanksgiving Day, at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. Let me know in the comments what was your favorite look. If you follow me on Instagram, you can probably tell at this point what my favorite is. With that being said, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed seeing me prance around in my in my clothes. Share with a friend who would also enjoy the same thing. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications so you know when I post. Thank y'all so much for watching. Wishing you much success in all of your businesses, especially this holiday season. I will talk to y'all soon. Bye.